Today we'll be taking a look at HUYA. HUYA is a Chinese streaming giant, one of the streaming platforms with the largest market share in China, focused on the gaming sector, much like Twitch. Now, it's had a couple, to say the least, of bad news recently, which has caused a significant sell-off from highs of around $35 back in early 2021. If you haven't heard, the two main causes are one, the failed merger with another streaming platform, and two, China's crackdown on the gaming sector in general. And HUYA was hit hard along with the gaming sector. But why are we talking about it now? Well, after getting beat down so much, I think it's one, oversold, and two, I think there is promise for the gaming sector. Actually, so one of the news released was restrictions on amount of time youth can play video games. Okay, but if you are a youth and you've been restricted to a couple of drops a day in video game screen time, then would you A, give up and cease and desist, stop all activities around gaming, or B, go on to HUYA and watch other people play? In my mind, it is obviously B. And so I think this is actually an opportunity for HUYA to gain a larger audience with longer watch times. So I believe we should keep an eye on their earnings reports in the next several earnings reports. Of course, this is all contingent on the fact that China doesn't give out some more crackdowns on the gaming industry. So if we take a look at the chart here, we can see that from its peak of around 35, it forms a nice wedge here. And it has broken out of this downtrend in the recent months. And appears to be a possible double bottom. Of course, we should always wait for confirmation. Just yesterday, I was talking about Alibaba and how it looked like there was an inverse head and shoulders coming up, signifying a reversal in trend. And I was hit in the face today with a 4% drop, but it's still it's actually still holding the pattern. There wasn't confirmation, nor was there a rejection. It's still in that head and shoulders pattern. I'm actually hoping that it drops some more. It would be nice if it just kept dropping. because then you can pick up Alibaba at an even cheaper price. But anyway, back to HUYA. Hmm. Well, it's broken out of the downtrend at any rate. Whether this will lead to a reversal or not, I'm frankly not too sure, but I believe that with the prices as they are now, around the 8, 8, 8.8, 8.73, it is a good buy and hold. Will it ever return to the $30, $35 range? Is hard to say, but I think it is well positioned in the industry to succeed. Yeah, I like HUYA.